afternoon, you landed here at El Dorado. For yellow engenders gold and fires the brain. Had I known, I would have brewed you up some yellow fever grass and arsenic. But we were peaceful then, childlike in the yellow dawn of our innocence. So in exchange for a string of islands and 2 continents, you gave us a string of beads and some hawk's bells.
Words crafted by Jamaica's Poet Laureate for the period 2021 to 2024, Olive Sr., who last year was presented with the instrument of investiture at King's House.
The Poet Laureate of Jamaica program is a signature program of the National Library of Jamaica. And since its post-independence revival, the program has seen the investiture of Professor Mervyn Morris, OM, as Poet Laureate for the 3-year period, 2014 to 2017, and Ms. Lorna Goodison, CD, for the 3-year period, 2017 to 2020. Today's event celebrates the incomparable Miss Olive Sr.
My heartfelt congratulations to the distinguished Poet Laureate, Miss Olive Sr., who has for generations been a beacon of light for Jamaica, translating to readers across the globe the national cultural essence through her ever-expanding canon of acclaimed work. As an academic, a poet, historian, and cultural activist, Ms. Senior has etched her name, but more so, all our names and identities into the tapestry that is Jamaican cultural knowledge.
Borrowed images, willed or skin pale, muffled or laughter, let out our hems, dekinked our hair, denied our sex in gym tunics and bloomers, harnessed our voices to madrigal and genteel airs, yoked our minds to declensions in Latin and the language of Shakespeare, told us nothing about ourselves. There was nothing about us at all.
Much of our history and culture, ladies and gentlemen, and the struggles and triumphs of our forebears are captured in literary works. By interpreting and providing literary commentary on social events, our writers have recorded our history in a medium that will remain for posterity. Over the next 3 years, Ms. Senior will be charged with creating an avenue for public involvement in the spoken arts by stimulating the writing of poetry and improving youth appreciation for poetry.
The National Library of Jamaica, an agency of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, is pleased to declare Olive Sr. Poet Laureate of Jamaica for the period 2021 to 2024. Senior is the author of 18 books, including poetry, fiction, non-fiction, and children's literature. Her work has been used to pioneer Caribbean literature in the classroom, both locally and abroad. Her poetry book, Gardening in the Tropics, has long featured on literature syllabuses in the Caribbean and has also been on the International Baccalaureate syllabus. Additionally, other works such as Summer Lightning, a long-admired collection of short stories, have been taught in schools and universities worldwide. It is with great pride and joyful expectation that we welcome our new Poet Laureate, Olive Sr., and we trust that she and poetry will both thrive and prosper. I thank you.
I would like to use my tenure as Poet Laureate to engage the nation in the reading and writing of poetry that speaks to the land, to use what is called eco-poetics to develop a lasting awareness, especially among youth, of the need for environmental protection, care, and ownership of Jamaica's natural resources. I'd like to employ the slogan, "I see my land," as a rallying call. For seeing is where it begins, the awakening of consciousness. I'm extremely grateful to the government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Culture and the National Library of Jamaica, for giving me this opportunity to use my own experience to assist the next generation to consciously thrive and sing their new songs, songs that can proudly say, "I see my land."
Come see my land before the particles of busy fires ascend, before the rivers descend underground, before coffee plantations grind the mountains into dust, before the coral dies, before the beaches disappear. Come see my land. Come see my land and know that she was fair.
Engage with the Poet Laureate through the various events being hosted by the National Library of Jamaica.